Our top stories this week. ELA Reading Department hosts an engaging Literacy Night 2026. Juniors and seniors explore college life at Lynn University. Gardening Club continues to bring greener, brighter, and more colorful PBMA. On Brainwave, learn about the valuable skills you need for the future. Plus, stay tuned for Weather Watch with Alberto Medina and more updates and reminders in Shark Bites. All that and more right here on Wavemakers. Confidence, creativity, commitment. Making waves the PBMA way. I'm Brandon Nagasar, and join us as we bring you closer to the actions and stories happening with our school community.
So don't forget to stay tuned as we bring you stories that matter. This is Caleb Batista, and you're watching
Wavemakers. The ELA Reading Department successfully brought together students, families, and staff for an exciting interactive Literacy Night 2026, an event designed to celebrate reading language and community engagement. The evening began in the school cafeteria, where attendees gathered for a short but meaningful program. The opening segment featured welcoming remarks and student presentations that highlighted the importance of literacy in both academic success and everyday life. Families and staff enjoyed seeing students showcase their skills and confidence through a video presentation prepared by the team. Following the program, participants rotated through a series of fun and educational activity stations. At Station 1, lyrical karaoke competition, students expressed their creativity and reading fluency by performing songs with enthusiasm. Station 2, speech relay sack race combined physical activity with public speaking, challenging participants to think quickly while having fun. At Station 3, vocabulary pop-off, students tested their word knowledge in a lively and competitive setting. Meanwhile, Station 4, Pages and Pastries offered a more relaxed environment where families could enjoy reading together while sharing light refreshments. Adding to the welcoming atmosphere, dinner was provided for everyone who attended. Mr. Antrepont gladly served delicious food, which students, families, and staff thoroughly enjoyed as they connected and shared the experience together. The night concluded with a much-anticipated grand raffle, where excitement filled the room as winners were announced. The highlight prize, a brand new 55-inch TV, added to the thrill and celebration of the event. Overall, Literacy Night 2026 was a memorable success, strengthening the connection between school and home while promoting a love for reading in a fun, engaging way.
PBMA juniors and seniors took a step forward toward their future as they visited Lynn University on March 26. The educational trip provided students with an opportunity to experience college life firsthand, explore academic programs, and gain valuable insights into the admission process.
During the visit, students participated in a guided campus tour where they explored modern classrooms, residence halls, and student facilities. Representatives from the university also shared information about the degree programs, scholarships, and student support services, helping attendees better understand what to expect in their transition from high school to college. Many students expressed their excitement about the experience, noting that walking through the campus and interacting with the university staff made their college goals feel more tangible. Teachers emphasized the importance of exposing students to higher education opportunities early on. The visit to Lynn University is part of the school's ongoing effort to prepare students for success beyond high school.
Overall, the trip was both educational and inspiring, leaving juniors and seniors more informed, motivated, and excited about the next chapter of their academic journeys. Meanwhile, here are some of the snapshots of our gardening club, where students grow not just plants, but passion and teamwork. Huge shout out to Coach Febre and the whole team. Great job for making our school greener, brighter, and more colorful.
This week, we're highlighting the different skills you need to have for the future. Let's learn more about these with Sophia and Kenzie for Brainwave.
Hey everyone, welcome back to Brainwave, where ideas spark and minds grow.
I'm Kenzie.
And I'm Sophia, and today's topic is something we all need to think about. Skills you need for the future.
Let's be real. Jobs today are changing fast. Some careers didn't even exist 10 years ago.
Exactly. So the big question is, what skills do we need to succeed in the future?
First up, critical thinking. That means being able to solve problems, make decisions, and not believe everything you see online.
Next is communication skills. Whether it's speaking, writing, or even texting professionally, how you express yourself really matters.
Don't forget adaptability. Things change fast, so being flexible and open to learning new things is a huge advantage.
Of course, we also need digital skills. Technology is everywhere, from classrooms to careers.
And here's a big one, emotional intelligence. Understanding your emotions and others help you build better relationships.
But here's the truth, you don't need to be perfect at everything right now.
Yeah, these skills take time. What matters is that you start building them today, in school, with friends, and even at home.
So here's your brainwave question of the day.
Which skill do you think is most important for your future and why?
Think about it, talk about it, and start working on it.
Because your future
Starts with the skills you build today. Thanks for tuning into Brainwave.
See you next time.
Stay sharp and keep making waves of success with Brainwave. Now let's dive in and check out the latest Shark Bites with Alexis and Aaliyah.
Hey Sharks, my name's Alexis.
And I'm Aaliyah, and
here are some quick Shark updates. Get ready to roll out a skate night presented by PBMA. Join us on Thursday, April 2nd from 6 to 8:30 for an exciting evening of skating, music, and fun. The event will be held at Astro Skate and the admission is just $12 per person, which already includes skate rental. Best of all, there's no school the next day, so come out, have fun, and enjoy the night with friends.
Calling all ocean explorers. PBMA is offering an incredible Shark Tag field trip in partnership with the University of Miami Shark Research and Conservation Program. Students will get the chance to experience hands-on shark tagging and marine conservation activities while learning directly from real researchers in the field. It's a rare opportunity to dive into marine science and discover how scientists protect our oceans. The trip is happening April 22nd from 7 to 5 and is limited to only 18 students, open to grades 6 through 12. If you're interested, stop by room 222 and see Mr. Allen and to pick up your permission form. Spots are first come, first served, so don't wait.
Attention middle school students in grades 6 through 8, an exciting marine adventure is coming your way with the Marine Lab Marine Resources Development Foundation. This 2-day, 1-night marine lab experience will take students into the world of marine science with activities like seagrass and mangrove ecology field trips, coral reef exploration, and hands-on marine biology labs. Students will even learn about invertebrate diversity and coral reef ecosystems while working with real-life marine science educators. The cost per student would be $350 and includes instruction, field trips, snorkeling gear, dinner, and breakfast.
Attention 8th grade students and families. The 8th grade class will be visiting Jupiter Lighthouse and Museum on April 15 and April 17. The cost for the trip is $10 per student, and all permission forms and payments must be submitted by March 31st to secure a spot. This will be a great opportunity for students to explore the lighthouse and learn more about the area's history. For more information or questions, please see Mr. Mejia in room 206.
Calling out PBMA students who love plants, teamwork, and positive energy. If you enjoy getting your hands in the soil, learning how to grow plants, and working together with friends, then the Gardening Club is the right place for you. Come grow with us. Meeting time is at 3:45. For more details, please see Coach LaFerbre and Sophia Varallo. Let's plant, grow, and make our campus greener together.
A quick reminder about the 10-10 rule. No passes during the first or last 10 minutes of class. Let's stay focused and make every minute of learning.
Sharks, remember all cell phones and electronic devices must be placed in your yonder pouches during the first period and kept there throughout the day. This helps avoid class disruptions and keeps everyone focused on learning. Let's stay present and stay focused and keep our classrooms distraction-free.
Sharks, don't forget to subscribe to PBMA's official YouTube channel where you can see all Wavemakers episodes. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That's it for this week's Quick Shark Updates. Back to you, Kayla.
And now for our quote of the week. Zig Ziglar once said, "You don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great."
That sums up this week's episode of Wavemakers. Your stories, your voice, our commitment. Sharks, always remember to reflect our shark mentality by being safe, respectful, and responsible.
For more updates, visit us online at PBMA's official YouTube and Facebook accounts. Delivering campus news with accuracy and integrity. This is Caleb Batista.
And I'm Brandon Agasar, and this has been
Wavemakers.
Thanks for tuning in, Sharks. Have a great weekend.